Police in St. Anne say there's been an uptick in predial larceny cases heading into the Christmas season. They arrested 3 men who were found with animal carcasses this morning. Shamela Pullen has the details.
Police in St. Anne were alerted to this vehicle which contained stolen meat on Thursday. The vehicle was intercepted in Faith Spen around 6:30 this morning.
The vehicle was signaled to stop. The driver complied, and a search of the motor vehicle. 4 men were seen aboard. On the trunk of the motor vehicle, a search revealed frozen pig carcasses, a large quantity. The men were all account that they were butchers, claimed that they were coming from Clarendon, and they were destined to a location in St. Anne.
The men were taken into custody and have been arrested on reasonable suspicion of predial larceny and breach of the Public Health Act. Deputy Superintendent Kevon Chambers from the St. Anne Police says during this time of the year, thieves tend to prey on farmers. DSP Chambers is calling on them to be vigilant.
Apart from us carrying out our usual routine patrols, we have also engaged the farmers. We have had farmers meetings to the farmers to be on high alert. So easy communication to us, the police, of any usual activities, so we can respond in an effective way to deter these criminals from kind of their activities.
The SP Chambers is also warning persons to be careful when purchasing meat.
People say they're registered, they're supermarkets, they're registered grocery stores that are responsible for selling these kind of meat. And you should go to make those purchases, and not to just go and purchase meats on just anywhere along the roadside. Ensure that you go to the people that prescribe for selling of these kind of items.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.